Assalamualaikum, myself Charan Karmakar. I would like to take this opportunity to explain my professional outlook. I am an undergraduating student of Daffodil International University, a textile engineering department, with average CGPA 3.43 out of 4. I have passed my SSC exam from the institution of Raghunathpur Secondary School with GPA 4.86 and completed my HSC exam from Government Shahapur Madhugram College with GPA 4.92. I have a passion to be a successful textile engineer. For this reason, I visited many textile industries to gain accurate knowledge that will be very helpful for my future life. Recently, I done a project about water treatment. In this project, I was team leader. It was an excellent teamwork and great experience. I have solid knowledge about Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and also have good communication in English. I have also other skills like creative thinking, time management, teamwork, good networking. I have completed many courses like textile testing on quality control, Python, textile colors. I have participated on international summit on textile innovation and sustainability. I have participated many competition in my college life. I am a sports lover person. I have experience about photography and videography, and have been awarded as a textile engineer from Daffodil International University. I need to gain solid knowledge about textile engineering and also need a high degree of initiative, hand-on intern experience, a strong presentation skill, good interpersonal skill. For this reason, I badly need a laptop. I believe in myself. I will be a successful textile engineer. That's all of my personal outlook. Thank you for your valuable time to watching my videos resume.